In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can restore licenses for games here on the PlayStation portal. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, say you're streaming a game and you might need to restore licenses. What you need to do is essentially just press the PlayStation button on your PlayStation portal, scroll down on here and look for troubleshoot, select troubleshoot, and then look for an option on here that says restore at the very bottom. Sometimes it doesn't pop in here. If it doesn't pop up in here, do not worry, we're going to show you where it is right after this. But after you hit restore licenses in this section, you're good to go. Just keep in mind it's going to close whatever game it is that you're playing, so just be ready before continuing. Now, once again, if the game restore license button isn't in here for you, do not worry. You just need to back out of here, scroll up, and you need to select PS5 home. From here, just go ahead and navigate up to the top over by your profile picture and select that little settings here. I know it's kind of hard to see right now, so I'm going to scooch this a little bit closer. But essentially, select settings, and once you're in here, you just need to scroll down on here until you see users and accounts. Select that, scroll all the way down to other, and once you're in other, select restore licenses right here, and you are good to go. It's going to run the same process. Once it's done, you're fine. Just keep in mind one more time, it's going to close whatever game that you are currently playing. If you guys did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.